How to fix Instagram swipe reply feature. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that you have a working internet connection. So to do that, you just simply go to your control center and make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And then now what you're going to do is to update your Instagram app. So go ahead on a App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Instagram and make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So assuming now that you have updated your Instagram app, you may now open it, go to the message section and try swiping right like this one, and then that should work. However, if it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to clear the cache of Instagram, or if you're using an iPhone, then you should um, offload the app. So if you're using Android, then you should clear the cache, but if you're using iPhone, you should offload the app. So to do that, you just simply go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and look for Instagram right here, and make sure to click on offload app right here. So once you click on offload app, you should then re- reinstall the app and try the messaging or replying feature once again. If it still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to contact the Instagram support for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram's swipe reply feature.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.